Hey guys, so just a bit of a quick impromptu one today. We have chickens at our place. They're not quite free ranging, but they've got a paddock that's bigger than our house, so you could say they've got it better than we do. So, however, despite the wondrous nesting boxes that my dad lovingly built for them, some of them just want to go and lay out in the field. Now, we just discovered a whole heap of eggs, even outside their paddock, so we've had a bit of a wing clipping session. Naughty Cashew, that's the chicken that was sitting on about 10 eggs out in a paddock. Now, she wasn't clucky, so I'm assuming they're not developing at all. So one day I'll do a video on how to spot a clucky chicken, and we've got a clucky chicken, I'll film it for you. Now, of course, you can do this with supermarket eggs as well. If you've had some sitting in the fridge for a while, you're a bit iffy about whether or not to eat them. So, basically, get a container of water, pop the egg in the water. As we'll see, that egg is fully flat on the bottom. That is a good egg. That's nice and fresh. So, let's try another one. Let's try the next one. Just put it very gently in. And that's the same, it's just laying flat on the bottom, on its long side. Yay, good eggy. Try this one. Oh, now. See how that one flipped up? It's actually sitting on its pointy side. So it's not sitting flat. Now that is one that is a bit older. It is still okay to eat, but you want to eat it sooner rather than later. Because it's still on the bottom, it hasn't floated up to the top, but it is floating a bit, so we want to eat that sooner rather than later. Yep, that's another good one. I'd be very interested to do this with supermarket eggs, especially like cage eggs or something. Let's see how fresh they actually are. So it's one of the ones that was in the middle of the field. Just because it's dirty doesn't. Ooh, yeah, that's another stand up on its edger. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now that's gone back down to the bottom. However,
it's sideways.
It did.
It's actually sitting sideways.
Yeah, look at. Oh yeah, look at that. It's sort of bobbing up and down. I would not eat that. I would not eat that. That's so that's a no-no. That's out of interest. Yep, that's another no-no.
But
look
it's
at that.
That's floating.
Yeah, it's floating. You don't want that.
Oh.
That's not what you want.
Those are the good ones. And not.
Try this one. Nope, that's another floater. It's sort of bobbing up and down a bit.
Eatable pie.
Okay, put it on the surface.
On its side.
Very gently. Yep, just very gently let go. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
yep, that's a good one.
Cool.
Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, so that's one we want to use sooner rather than later. Just very gently.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yep, that's a good one. Make sure you're doing it gently. That's
sooner rather than later.
Yep. Yep, go on then. And very gently let go. See what it does. Oh yeah, that's not. Yeah, no, just out of interest. The ones that. Oh yeah, I probably wouldn't eat that. It was very borderline floating, wasn't it? That's yeah. 7 that are good. 7 that need using sooner rather than later, and 4 that were not so good. Now, just out of interest as well, the ones that were not so good, when I shake it, it actually feels like there's something bopping around in there. Bop, 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 bop.
I want that to go.
Whereas the ones that are good, you don't get that. Even the ones that are borderline, you don't get that. But the ones that floated, yeah. So, I don't fancy cracking them open to see what they're like inside, to be honest. Sorry. So there we go. Hopefully that was of some help. I'll keep you posted with my next tricky video. Bye!